Are you struggling with a TP-Link USB adapter that provides a weak internet connection? Fixing a TP-Link USB weak internet connection may seem daunting, but don't worry. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, a strong and stable internet connection is essential. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix TP-Link USB weak internet connection, ensuring you're back online and running smoothly in no time. Step 1. Check physical connections and positioning. The first step in fixing your TP-Link USB weak internet connection is to ensure all physical connections are secure. Check that the USB adapter is firmly plugged into your computer's USB port. If your device is positioned far from the router, try moving it closer. Physical obstructions such as walls or large furniture can weaken the signal. For optimal connectivity, ensure there is a clear path between your device and the router. Step 2. Update your driver. Outdated drivers can be a common culprit for connectivity issues. To update your TP-Link USB adapter driver, visit the official TP-Link website and download the latest driver for your specific model. Once downloaded, install the driver and restart your computer. This step often resolves many connection problems by ensuring your adapter can communicate effectively with your router. Step 3. Adjust router settings. Sometimes the router settings can be the source of the problem. Access your router settings through its web interface using its IP address, often found on the router itself or in the user manual. Check for firmware updates and install any available updates, as they can improve performance and security. Additionally, ensure that your router is set to broadcast on the correct channel. Switching to a less crowded channel can improve connectivity if you're in an area with many networks. Step 4. Disable power-saving features. Power-saving settings on your computer could affect your TP-Link USB adapter's performance. To disable power saving for your adapter, go to the control panel, navigate to Device Manager, and locate your TP-Link USB adapter under Network Adapter. Open its properties, and under the Power Management tab, uncheck the option that allows the computer to turn off the device to save power. This ensures your adapter remains active and maintains a stable connection. Step 5. Consider external antennas or range extenders. If you continue experiencing a weak connection, investing in external antennas or range extenders may help. External antennas can be attached to some TP-Link USB adapters, increasing their range and signal strength. Alternatively, a range extender can boost the overall signal, improving connectivity in areas further from the router. Fixing a TP-Link USB weak internet connection doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, from checking physical connections and positioning to adjusting router settings and disabling power-saving features, you can restore a strong and reliable internet connection. Keep these tips in mind the next time you face connectivity issues and enjoy seamless browsing, gaming, and streaming. Remember, staying connected is crucial whether you're working or unwinding, so take the time to ensure your network is performing at its best.